FI इंडिया का 19वां एडिशन और प्रोपैक इंडिया एक्सपो के 7वें एडिशन के साथ मिलकर आज एक शुरुआत के साथ शुरू हुआ, जिसमें फूड आइटम, प्रोसेसिंग, पैकेजिंग और सप्लाई चेन इकोसिस्टम के स्टेक होल्डर्स को आकर्षित किया गया। यह शो 3 से 5 सितंबर 2025 तक इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट दिल्ली में चल रहा है, जो ग्लोबल और इंडियन स्टेक होल्डर्स को नेटवर्क बनाने, इनोवेट करने और फूड के फ्यूचर को सेव देने के लिए एक साथ ला रहा है। कुल मिलाकर यह शो 15,000 से अधिक प्रोफेशनल्स का स्वागत करने के लिए तैयार है, जिसमें 340 से अधिक एग्जीबिटर्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरनेशनल पार्टिसिपेशन शामिल हैं।
So let me take this opportunity and extend a very warm welcome to all of you to an initiative that was created to bring out the best minds together and to make sure that we start on a very, very positive.
The industry is one of the most vibrant industries in our country, growing at a rapid pace. The government has been very supportive of this industry over the years, especially in this budget itself. There has been an increased allocation of more 30% more for this industry in terms of setting up more food parks, giving more PLR benefit for this industry. Just alone the organic food industry, which is touching 75,000 crores this year. The food processing industry is has about 7.7% of the manufacturing output of our entire country, and over 7 million jobs. That's a humongous number, and we should be very proud of it as an industry. At the same time, the packaging industry is also in very sharp focus. 75% of the buyers are willing to pay premium for sustainable packaging. So that's something which calls out need for sustainability across this. They want to do away with the plastic waste, and the packaging market is growing at 11% annually. That's a good number to have, and going to be about $140 billion by 2029. So this show, FI and Prupag, and the joint show is the entire effort to further advance this sector, and we have been very happy to be capitalizing this sector to creating these initiatives. This year at the show, we are having over 350 exhibitors. Very happy to say this is the largest ever FI and Prupag joint initiative that we are putting.
I did not prepare a speech, so I'm going to be very brief. I'm very excited to be here at FI India for this 19th edition. As the brand director for the FI portfolio, so I've been traveling to many of our events around the world, together with my in Paris this year, to our events in Africa, in Egypt, in Asia, in South America, and so on. I'm very happy to see that the events that we organize around the world are consistent in terms of offer we propose, in terms of quality of buyers that we bring to these events. And I'm sure this 17th in India, this is my first time here, and I'm very excited to see the event is going to be the same quality of attendees. So, in very short, I'm very happy to have you here, and I hope for everyone to have a great event.
Today is the 19th edition of FI, and I congratulate the entire team for continuing these efforts of uplifting two important sectors. One is farmer, and second is giving a good product to the consumer and serving the industry also. So please give them a hand. It's an amazing show. Today India is, you know that what international geopolitical things are happening, and it is very important that our raw materials get processed, and we export more, we process more, and we value add for the farmers' benefit. Today we are at the 8 billion, the ingredient could be 8 to 9 billion market share, and day by day it is increasing because of the Ayurveda, herbal, organic, and also the FSSAI has recently launched Ahara food, which also requires some actives. So this particular ingredients, all the actives and nutraceutical is going to grow. I'm fortunate I was present in 2006 also. Yogeshji, I was a part of that team in 2006 attending FI. So I remember the journey of FI then. Then we used to have a lot of international participants more and nationals very little. But today I see that national is also growing and not only participating in India, but also taking to Dubai and UK and other shows. So that shows how the industry has changed. And FI has been partnering in that growth, and I really congratulate. I represent the CSME, Chamber for Advancement of Small and Medium Businesses. We support the growth of the industry, small and medium business, particularly for the farmer benefit and consumer delightness. It is very important if really our customer satisfaction. Our food processing, food ingredient sector has to be strengthened. Why it is important? Because processing adds value to the farmer's income, and farmer's income is important, which contribute to closely 68% of the total population. That money will directly go to that population.
Thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful trade show with the team, Rahul ji and everyone. Because any sector, any segment requires some kind of the platform where they can come together and they can market their product. Otherwise, I know the scenario in 90s and say in 2000 up to 2002 or 3. In India, we were not having organized way of the exhibitions. While we were participating in global market, and we were always thinking when this kind of the exhibition will take place here in India, because we have a tremendous opportunity, and all the business entrepreneurs are also very much enthusiastic for developing their products, coming up with the innovations and ready to match their shoulders with the global market. But of course, everybody needs the branding, marketing, technologies. So by setting up this kind of the organized expos, you have brought all the different segments on one platform. And that's the wonderful thing. Here, if you wanted to have the good technology people, you will find there. You want packaging, good packaging, you will find out here. You need any ingredient, you will find out here. You need buyers, you will find out here. So, having everyone on the platform, it becomes a very good opportunity for every stakeholders to growth path. So I must congratulate to FI, and continuously I am looking the efforts what the FI is doing from last several years, and this is the 19th edition.
Leaders, our exhibitors, delegates and valued attendees. As we conclude the inauguration ceremony for FI India and Propack India, it is my privilege to extend a hearty vote of thanks to everyone who has made this meticulous occasion possible. First and foremost, I would like to express my profound gratitude to all our dignitaries who have taken time off their busy schedule. They have traveled from Mumbai, they have traveled from Bangalore, they have traveled from a lot of other places to be here and grace this event with the presence. Your support and encouragement meant a lot for us. Like we have Dr. Halde, Mr. Patel, who have been right from the inception of the show, have been there with us. Well, these co-located events, FI and Propack, bring together 1,200 brands under one roof in this beautiful India Expo Mart in Greater Noida. Our vision as Informa is creating India's leading platform for the food and beverage industry and deserves highest standards for all of y'all. I would like to acknowledge our exhibitors who have traveled from across the globe to showcase cutting-edge technology, innovative products, and sustainable solutions. Your participation is backbone of this exhibition, and we are grateful for your commitment to advancing our industry.
Platform for this industry to grow. And right, I see pretty much who's who of the food world, not only domestically but also internationally, who are present here. This is an industry, if one note, initiated in India somewhere around 60s, and some of the smallest companies that started in 60s and even 70s have gone on to become the world's largest companies today to India. So a big round of applause to the Indian ingredient industry here. More importantly, I think the opportunity is still young, and as I was talking earlier, I think the opportunity is now going more and more into clean labels, natural labels that are typically happening, and the platform like this certainly gives that opportunity. I don't want to extend my speech a lot, but I really want to thank FI India for ensuring that such a wonderful platform.
You know, schemes are coming up, PLI by the Ministry of Food Processing. So, and here like almost I think more than 350 I think you know, exhibitors are here, and more than you know, lot of countries all over India, all over I think world, lot of participation from the you know, in this exhibition. And the area of this Greater Noida, I can say very green. So everyone can have you know, health by food as well as by the environment, you know, away from the pollution from the Delhi. So it is a very good opportunity for each one to have lot of you know, knowledge from this exhibition, and trade is I think very well placed. I will go through the you know, all the exhibitors, and I wish all the success to the Informa, and they have taken this you know, very in a huge manner. They have not left anyone. I think all the industries are involved in this show. Even government is also promoting, and they are association with the government also for promoting lot of you know, this kind of activities. And I wish in very near, I think to again they should come over Delhi and have lot of you know, shows like this. And already he said that these I think they are packed from the September to you know, December, with lot of activities, lot of trade show, lot of conferences, lot of programs, and almost they work in almost in all areas, and they are well organizing the event. I wish all the success to him.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hitesh
Yogesh ji, and I'm really very glad to be here and participating in FI. I would like to take you all back before say a decade and more, when just Informa started. Before Informa there was UBM, right? And since then I was a part with the UBM, then after the Informa, and I have seen the entire journey, how they have grown in India. There was no such organization who was doing a very systematic international standard of the expos, which was required. When we were participating globally, we were always used to think that when this kind of the expos will take in India, and when the foreign people will come to India and they will look for their products, their formulas or the ingredients. So gradually we have seen the efforts of the UBM and the Informa, that they are gathering the entire supply chain and the value chain in this platform. So by that, what happened, that all the stakeholders, they came on the one platform, and they get the technology, they get the innovation, they get the suppliers, they get the buyers, and that's what else any entrepreneur want, any segment, any industry want. This is all the things they want in one platform in just 3 days. And I personally can acknowledge that our growth has been continuously with the support of this kind of the exhibitions globally, not India, but
I'll just make 3 short points, and of course more than happy to answer any questions here. हिंदी मूवीज़ में हम देखते हैं, राइट, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, एंड दैट टेल्स अस दैट कपड़ा और मकान, फिर भी मुंबई में हम देख लेते हैं कि बिना मकान लोग रह लेते हैं, 1 या 2 जोड़ी कपड़ों में लोग रह लेते हैं, बट विदाउट फूड यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. सो फूड इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट्स वाई शोज़ लाइक दीज are very important, and I congratulate Yogesh sir and his team that they have been doing this for 19 years in a row. Hopefully next year in Mumbai we'll have a much bigger show celebrating your 20th year. So it's very important that we understand the importance of food ingredients and shows like this. Second point is, when our Honorable Prime Minister talks about doubling farmers' income, we know that almost 30% of the produce goes waste, and that's why processing, packaging is very important, and those aspects also need to be highlighted, and you'll see things like those here in the packaging on the ProPack side. The third point I want to make is the world's population is increasing. आज हम 800 करोड़ पे है, 8 बिलियन पे है, and we are going to touch 9 billion or 900 crore in 2015. So who's going to feed the world? How are we going to feed the world? So again, it's very important that shows like these address some of those things. And finally, since all of our media brothers and sisters are here, I want you to play a very constructive role in projecting the food industry. I know we negative चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी से फैल जाती है, but there are positive things also happening, and this show is one of them, where a lot of these positive things should also be showcased by our media friends here, to show that how the food industry is progressing, how food ingredients are progressing, and how shows like these are actually going to help feed the world, are going to help the farmers grow their income, and the basic necessity of food that the whole world needs will be provided through shows like this. Thank you very much.
आपको देख के हमेशा अमिताभ बच्चन का फील आता है, and actually not just because of Yogesh, but the show itself is the Amitabh Bachchan of the industry of trade shows in food sector. So this FI for last 2 decades, I have personally been associated with FI for last 1 decade, 10 years as the president of AFSTI Mumbai chapter, and then the national president of Association of Food Scientists and Technologists of India. And every year we have been doing, right from UBM days to Informa Markets, we have been supporting the trade show in terms of conferences, in terms of seminars, in terms of promoting and propagating the concept of this trade show across the food industry. And recently, in last 2 years, we have been also part of the FI Awards, which has been instituted by this particular trade show, Informa Markets, and we are on the jury panel. And it's so interesting to see how the new developments are happening, right from R&D to the new product development, to the changes that are happening, innovations that are happening in food processing sector at various levels. It is not that the awards are only for the big people, but it also for the small people, the MSMEs, where a lot of focus is being given by Informa Markets. And being from a technical background, the testing inspection field, I also happen to be the vice chair of the India TIC Council, Testing Inspection Certification Council. So here also we come across lot of lot of companies which deal with testing and inspection of the food ingredients that are being showcased over here, whether if they are of quality, they are of standards which are available worldwide, and how will it affect the health of an individual, will it affect the health of the individual, and how will it support the health of the individual when it is actually making the product more acceptable to the larger. So congratulations once again to Yogesh and team, Archana, Nestor, Rahul Deshpande, all of have been doing a great.
India promotes, and over the years it's become the benchmark of creating this kind of platform for the industry, and that's where the farmers' roles come in. And I think the everything that gets into is basically supportive farmers, good farming practices, good and the experts are there. I think they can talk about more nitty-gritties, but for me it's a platform for all the farmers to invest in good quality of products and good farming practices, really.
So somewhere or the other, farmers are definitely involved, because ingredients just don't come into the air. They are either the natural ingredients coming from the farmers. In fact, I would add to this that it is creating lot of value addition to the normal produce of the farmer when it is getting processed as a food ingredient. So definitely the companies that are represented over here are interacting directly or indirectly with the farmers, and they are coming up with supply chain with backward integration with the farmers.
So हिंदी इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश. तो आप FI साइड में अगर आप चले जाएंगे, वहाँ पे सह्याद्री फार्म्स का स्टॉल है. सह्याद्री फार्म्स ये फार्मर प्रोड्यूसर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, तो 30,000 फार्मर्स को एक साथ लेके उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई है. दे आर द लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ ग्रेप्स, ऑलमोस्ट 3,000 कंटेनर्स ग्रेप्स वो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं यूरोप को. ओके, उन्होंने वहाँ पे उन्होंने और भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए, जैसे वो जब सिट्रस फ्रूट्स जो हम ऑरेंजेस हो गए, लेमन हो गए, अचार बनाते वक्त आप लेमन बनाते हैं, तो उसमें से जो वेस्ट निकलता है, साइड प्रोडक्ट्स बाय प्रोडक्ट्स निकलते हैं, तो उसमें से उन्होंने वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हुए हैं. पोमोग्रेनेट प्रोसेसिंग जब होता है, हम जिसको दाड़िम बोलते हैं, उसका जो छिलका होता है आपको पता होगा आज अमेज़ॉन पे भी अवेलेबल है, अगर आपको डायरिया हुआ है, पेट खराब है, तो वो छिलके की पाउडर अगर आप लेते हो तो आपका पेट ठीक हो जाता है। तो ये सारे जो वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स है, सीड ऑयल हो गया, ये सारे उन्होंने वहाँ पे शोकेस किए हुए हैं, जिससे आपके आज जो पोमोग्रेनेट ग्रो करने वाला फार्मर है या उसको प्रोसेसिंग करने वाला फार्मर है, उसका वैल्यू एडिशन होके उसका इनकम एक्चुअली ग्रो हो रहा है। ये क्लासिक लाइव एग्जांपल्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे। तो मैं इनकरेज करूँगा आप सभी को कि आप प्लीज़ कुछ ये ऐसे स्टॉल्स विजिट कीजिए, जिसके वजह से आपको फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा कि फार्मर का इनकम या फार्मर को बेनिफिट कैसे हो रहा है।
गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया जीएसटी रेट्स रिवाइज हो रहा है, तो एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग, सो एज अ इंडस्ट्री वी आल्सो हैव अ डिमांड की जीएसटीज, बट इन फूड पे ऑलरेडी इज द इसेंशियल्स पे तो देयर इज नो जीएसटी रियली, इसेंशियल फूड्स पे इट इज मिनिमम इट इज देयर एंड 5%, राइट, 5% which is there, so that's the lowest best which is
So we made the representation through the ARTSA to the government for the ingredient side and for the food supplements and the nutraceutical, and also come to the food product also, where there is the almost 12 and 18% of the excise GST is there. So what happened when, now this is the essential things, when if you reduce the GST and brings under the 5%, then automatic there will be a growth of this industry, and that will be beneficial to the entire supply chain, right from the farmer to the consumer. So I think so there's, the government must think to reduce this GST. We have already made the presentation.
अच्छा, इस बार क्वेश्चन ये टैरिफ को लेके सर, इस टैरिफ का इम्पैक्ट, तो आप अगर कल प्रोपैक में दोपहर को आई थिंक 1 बजे एक सेशन रखा हुआ है विच विल टॉक अबाउट, वी हैव पैनलिस्ट विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, बट टू address your question, there are certain industries which are going to get more impacted. अभी आप बासमती राइस का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए। आज जो यूएस में बैठा हुआ है और वो जो बासमती राइस इंडियन पॉपुलेशन खा रहा है, आपने उस पर 25% लगाई है, 50% लगाई है, वो फिर भी बासमती राइस ही खाने वाला है। सो स्पेसिफिक फूड्स जो इंडियंस कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं एंड दे हैव अ सर्टन प्रेफरेंस ऑन देयर पैलेट, जैसे आज साउथ इंडियंस टिपिकली प्रिया ब्रांड का ही अचार खाते हैं, पाठक ग्रुप का खाते हैं, सर्टन वेस्टर्न इंडिया के, महाराष्ट्र के हमारे बेड़े करके खाते हैं। आपने 25% लगाई है, 50% लगाई है, दे आर स्टिल गोइंग टू एंड अप ईटिंग दोस थिंग्स। सो येस, द इम्पैक्ट विल बी देयर, बट जो इंडियन डायस्पोरा है वहाँ पे, और वो स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट्स अगर उसको वही चाहिए, तो वो एंड कंज्यूमर वहाँ जो है उस पर इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा होने वाला है कंपेयर टू हमारे यहाँ पे। बट येस, देयर आर सर्टन अदर इंडस्ट्रीज एज वी ऑल नो, टेक्सटाइल हो गया, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी हो गया, which will have a bigger impact on tariff because of tariff that is implemented.